Guntur Michi market at world biggest market in India, Andhra Pradesh, Guntur. Today, some large chili varieties, qualities, prices. Watch this video. The biggest market, all varieties, 24, 25 varieties in market ad coming. The chili variety, 334 chili variety. Quality wise, best quality mirchi. Quality, best quality mirchi. Today price 11,500 rupees are going on in market yard. Deluxe quality 13,000 rupees highest market. This chili variety 334 quality wise best quality mirchi. Rate 11,500 rupees sale. The chili variety DD Kurnool DD Devanur Deluxe best quality mirchi. Quality wise best quality mirchi. Price today best quality mirchi price today 12,000 rupees are going on in market yard. Guntur Mirchi market yard. Best quality. Dry chili best quality DD variety. Good sale. The chili variety 2043. Chili variety 2043. Small size. Medium mirchi. Small size medium mirchi. Today rate market rate 9,000 rupees. Today market rate 9,000 rupees are going on in market ad. Small size medium quality. Medium quality mirchi. The chili variety Syngenta 55031 Syngenta Badgi. Quality wise best quality. Chili variety Syngenta Badgi. Quality wise best quality mirchi. Today price 11,000 rupees. Sales. Best chili. Dry chili. Syngenta Badgi. Best quality mirchi. Today price best quality price. The chili variety Armour. Local chili variety. Chili variety Armour dry chili. Local variety. Quality wise best quality mirchi. Today best quality mirchi price 10,500 rupees are sales. Deluxe quality 11,000 5,000 11,500 rupees are going on in market yard. This is best quality chili. White chili 334 chili. White chili 334 chili. Starting price 4,500 rupees or quality wise highest price 5,000 rupees are in market yard. Best are deluxe quality. Best 4,500 rupees. Deluxe chili 5,000 rupees in market yard. White chili 334. Chili variety white chili 341 white chili. Best chili powder quality wise Today market price white chilli starting price 4,000 rupees to 6,000, 6,000 rupees to 7,000. Quality wise or medium quality 4,000, best quality 6,000 rupees, deluxe quality and deluxe quality white chilli colorful 7,000 rupees. 341 white chilli. The chilli variety Teja, world biggest market exporters China, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore to export to 40% to above 100 to. Quality wise deluxe quality mirchi. Rate today 13,500 rupees are going on in market ad. Quality wise mirchi deluxe quality. Chilli variety Teja. Highest price market today deluxe quality 13,500 rupees are going on in market.